Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm Kenny, your host, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here today is our dynamics. What's really going on with the market? Well, we had a gap open higher this morning and then just started to sell off. The trend following resistance right here, you see, was just a little too much. Tried to get over there, and as well there, and finally it just gave up, even broke below the low of the prior session, which was Monday. This, of course, was a breakdown day, as was this. But what happened? Why did the market reverse? Well, we see. If you look at our indicators, a very strong positive divergence right here. So you're making a new low right here in terms of price, but our indicator, one of our four indicators here, is just not making a new low, sorry. Not even equivalent of either of these three, any of these three. So we get a move higher. Definitely no room for the bearish side right there. Just a itty bitty bit of bearishness right here, but where's price? At a new low. You're really going to need some bearish sentiment, i.e., this right here, this much red, a bit of a divergence there. These two indicators were suggestive of the move higher that we got there, but we just didn't have it today. We did have some bearishness here, but as you can see, these two certainly outweighed what happened at the end of the session. We're just fully green in most perspectives. So obviously once you see the switch over here and just a lot of lime green, the brilliant green, definitely time to go long and certainly not be on the short side, and that's what we got, fall through in price. So what does that portend? That portends higher movements, fortunately, in the market. And this, of course, on an intraday perspective, so it's a bit more speculative. Doesn't mean go ahead and implement some long overnight exposure, and we'll tell you why by switching over to our look at the daily chart. This is the S&P 500 cash market, cash index. What are we doing? Well, we were bearish. We moved to bearish at in terms of this ET sell signal right here, of course, but we're still long-term, at least neutral, actually. But we're officially bearish, and had mentioned so. We even tried to get this move higher on this day, but bearish sentiment weighed in, and we got to close down here. Still bearish, still bearish. Got the breakthrough, so there's some more gains. What was ironic was we hit our key sell level of 1520, which we actually mentioned in a prior video that we didn't catch. That was, of course, the Fed day, so you definitely don't really want to be playing the Fed days, although our systems really caught this Fed day nicely and have performed nicely. So we'll get to our systems in a second, but where are we? Well, we've just caught this fib 62 mark right here, and we're trying to hold it. We came down here to the 1440 level. As we've mentioned oftentimes in the past, the S&P loves the 1440s and 1480s. As you can see right here, fake out, break, back up. Fake out, breakdown, 1440, 1440, 1440. So we're looking at moves, of probably 40 points or so. Let's hope, and because we're looking for a move back to the upside. And so far we've gotten this move. Having said that, from a trend following and price technical perspective, not particularly impressive. Still bearish as well. We're officially bearish, and in terms of momentum, we've moved to bearish on the short side as well as the intermediate term side. We're moved to bearish on the short term side in terms of directional movement. So we're officially bearish. If anybody's asking, we're bearish, but we are, of course, taking notice of this fib 62 mark for support. If we come up here to this area of 1470 and start to develop some real resistance, it's probably not. It's probably going to pretend more lower price movement forthcoming. So where have the portfolios been, and what has been 2 down days and one rather choppy day? We'll go ahead and switch over to that right here, and if I could pull that up right there, we'll just go ahead and take a look at that. Oh, actually, here we go. So this was Friday's performances for our portfolios. Our venerable black portfolio actually finished down $250. So that was a bit of a surprise. Swinger DT, as usual, putting up major gains 10% on Friday, almost 11. The dual day trader DS, which is just a simply great portfolio all the way around, outscores everyone with a gain of 12%. And again, the next day, Monday, 18% on the dual day trader DS. This is a great portfolio, as mentioned. Took a breather today. Looks like this is Tuesday, December 18th. Took a breather today on the DS. Other standouts: On Monday, where of course the delta B tends to zig when others aren't performing as when others are zagging, maybe only putting up 5% gains. So the delta B, no big surprise there that it doubles the gains of most of our other portfolios. Triple threat trader up 10% on Monday. Tuesday, more gains for our portfolios. Um, Looks like we had another 10% gain for the Swinger DT. Standout move for the MAP DT, a 17% gain, added to a 6% gain, added to about a 2% gain. So let's just look at the 3-day performance. And first thing we notice is the Swinger DT up 26% in the last 3 days since last Friday. Very impressive portfolio. Dual Day Trader DS up 30%. Matt Black, if you've got $100,000, definitely recommend this in terms of risk management, given the diversification component of so many non-correlated, non-optimized systems in the Matt Black. But all these portfolios really performing nicely, so definitely want to get you guys interested in subscribing to these portfolios. We don't want you all to continue to miss out. Those of you who have been sitting on the sidelines, busy with shopping, definitely want to get you in here for the new year, before the new year, because generally the first week of January is also very profitable. So definitely want to get you guys started. And how do we do that? Well, we offer some specials. So if you want to go to the MiniAnalyst.com website, you can go to the homepage, and if you're interested in a risky portfolio, couple of aggressive portfolios actually we have on special. The Swinger DT is an aggressive portfolio. You can click here to auto trade the Swinger DT for a special $1,500 for 3 months. For those of you who are only interested in day trade exposure, we also have the MAP DT version 2.0, which in the last 3 days has made about modest 24% on a $20,000 account. So very respectable. Definitely want to get you guys into participating with these portfolios. So toward that end, you can click on Swinger DT and click on Add to Cart, and just simply enter. You're already getting a special $1,500 for 3 months. Simply enter promo code video. Go ahead and apply that. Take an extra $225 off of the already reduced special rate. And you can also do that with the, we'll go ahead and click on the Delta portfolios because I know the MAP DT version 2.0. I guess we should just click on this actually. Maybe scroll on down here to the DT version 2.0. Oh, that's the DTS. There we go. Again, another special $1,500 for 3 months. Go ahead and add to that cart. What's that going to do? It's going to save you $450. It's already been applied. We can just go ahead and remove the Swinger, and you can see $1,275. You're going to save $225 on the MAP DT version 2.0. Highly recommend this portfolio, particularly for those interested in only day trade exposure. So hope that you've enjoyed the video. Sorry we went low on time. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to send us an email at admin@MiniAnalyst.com, or you can go to the website right here and chat with the support team. Just go ahead and click Chat with Us, and take a look at a few of our other specials. If you have interest in any of our portfolios, feel free to send us an email or chat with the support team. We hope you guys are having a great week and holiday season. Happy holidays.